The Department of Science, Technology and Innovation supports national priorities by placing science at the center of government, industry, education and society. Through our national system of innovation, which brings together infrastructure, expertise, data and investment, we are changing lives and strengthening the economy. We utilize research and development in health, space science and astronomy, the circular economy, and investment in innovation finance to transform South Africa. At Numeri, advanced medical imaging accelerates drug development and clinical research. As part of the South African Research Infrastructure Roadmap, the facility supports the journey from radio-labeling and preclinical testing towards clinical trials. By opening specialized imaging to researchers and innovators, Numeri strengthens precision medicine and targeted therapies, helping to advance future patient care through South African science. At the South African National Space Agency, Earth observation is turning satellite imagery into practical intelligence gathering. Government and communities can track crops, water, fires, pollution and floods, as well as land use change over time. The Natural Resource Management Program combines this national view with local knowledge. This supports safer settlement, stronger livelihoods, and better protection of natural resources, while shared data helps departments plan and procure efficiently. The Innovation Fund helps South African research and intellectual property reach the market. By reducing early commercial risk and co-investing with public and private capital, it supports local firms, skilled jobs, and new exports. A partnership announced in the May 2026 budget vote creates more than 2 billion rand for early-stage investment. By placing science at the center of government, industry, education, and society, we are demonstrating how strategic public capital can mobilize investment at scale. In the Northern Cape, Meerkat and the growing square-kilometre array mid-dishes demonstrate the long-term value of a national science mission. Frontier Astronomy is building expertise in engineering, software, computing and data. The project has trained scientists and artisans, supported businesses, inspired schools, and positioned South Africa within a global partnership. In January 2026, First Fringes confirmed that the first two connected square-kilometre array mid-dishes were working together as a telescope. This marked an important milestone in expanding national scientific and technological capability. The circular economy links climate resilience with industrial opportunity. Keeping materials and products in use for longer can reduce waste, strengthen resource security, and create new value. The national strategy focuses on mining, agriculture, and manufacturing. Through research and innovation, it aims to expand recovery, repair, reuse, remanufacturing, and resource-efficient production, building more resilient industries and new value chains. These capabilities demonstrate the strategic value of policy coherence across the science and innovation landscape, transitioning from isolated departmental initiatives to broad socio-economic impact requires systematic interministerial alignment through joint policy formulation, shared infrastructure, and scaling local enterprise innovations. By placing science at the center of government, industry, education, and society, and institutionalizing coordinated, evidence-based planning, we translate the capacity of the national system of innovation into measurable public value that drives economic growth, improves disaster resilience, and long-term space sovereignty, for a capable, developmental, more resilient and inclusive South Africa.